this is Renee and welcome to my channel, Under the Sun. For this video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. It has been a while since I did a video like this. Recently, yung mga video ko is about yung experiences ko with Yakson, and if you wanna watch it, just click the link here. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. So that's why I'm excited to do this again, because it's been a while and I want to share it with you guys. But don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Let's cut to the chase and go on with the unboxing. Okay, so here's the box. This box came this morning and I was so excited kasi ang tagal na naman talagang gustong bumili. So let's unbox this. So, here it is! Ta-da! So, this is it, guys. This is an action cam. It's a sports HD DV water resistant for 30 meters below or deep. So, ito siya. Ito yung buong box niya. And, of course, I chose pink. Diba? And, the reason we bought this, kasi matagal, as I said kanina, matagal na namin gusto magkaroon ng action camera and we cannot afford a GoPro. Pero, we've heard good reviews sa mga non-GoPro brands. And, hindi na siya masama, diba? If you really just want to take underwater videos and pictures and all. Anyway, so, let's unbox this thing. Actually, nung binili namin siya, kailan ba yun? Friday. Tapos dumating siya kahapon, kaso walang sumagot sa bahay. Dito. Tapos dumating siya ulit today. So, mabilis lang. So, first of all, yung mismong product muna. Tapos, meron na siyang LCD. Tapos, ito yung kanyang underwater case. Kaparehas siya ng GoPro. Mamaya, let's test it. Lagyan natin ng paper sa loob. Tapos, ilublob natin sa balde ng tubig. Tapos, let's see kung papasokan ng water. Let's see the camera itself. So, this is it. Let's turn it on. Wala siyang card, guys. Pero ito siya. Hi! Pag in-on mo siya, automatic na sa video mode siya. Tapos pag pinindot mo na isa yung picture, itong button na to, sunod is picture mode. Then, yung options, merong playback. Ayan. Delete or lock. Pero wala namang picture, so tapos, meron yung general settings. May pagka-wide siya kasi makikita mo yung distortion sa mga gilid. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna do the lub-lub test. I'm gonna test how much of a waterproof case this is. I'm gonna put it to the test. And I'm gonna put this crumpled paper inside. I'm gonna be needing the help of my Foggy Loves for this. Okay, I'm gonna go to the restroom. I'm gonna go to the banyo. So, my other hand is not wet para talagang matest ko. Tapos, ano pa natin? Para kunyari waterfall. Lubog pa natin. Yung claim niya, hanggang 30 meters deep, pwede daw to ilubog. So, kung ito, hindi to effective ng ganito kababaw, what more pa kaya kung super lalim. So, stop na natin. Okay. Ito na siya. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. It's dry! It lives! It's dry! So, safe na safe yung camera kapag nilubog underwater. So, next naman is yung mga accessories na kasama niya. So, ito yung mga straps. Tapos, I don't know, honestly, kung para saan tong mga to. Pero ito siya. First, this is. Next, ito. Then, this one. Then, this one. And then, this one. And then, this. And, I don't know what this is for. And then, meron ito for charging and transfer of files. Yes. Tapos, ito yung cord, yung saksakan. May mga double adhesive. May mga extra stuff. Tapos, ito clip. And then, ito, additional back. Pag siguro nag-foggy or nawala na yung ano niya, clearness. Tapos, meron na siyang naka-mount mismo na I don't know what this is called. Okay, and then, the manual. So, syempre, kailangan natin basahin ang manual before we really do anything. Ito, merong diagram kung paano mo i-combine yung bawat mounts for different purposes. So, all in all, may 18 parts na nasa loob niya pag binili mo siya complete. Basically, it's a 12 megapixel CMOS sensor. Image resolution niya is 12 megapixels. Merong 8 megapixels and 3 megapixels. So, mayroon tayong meron kayo pwedeng tatlong pagpilian. And then, yung VGA naman, merong 1080, merong 480, and merong 960. Tapos, yung zoom niya 4 times. Tapos, yung file format for the movie, it's MOV. Sa image format, it's JPEG. Then, yung lens niya, yung pagka-wide is at most 170 degrees. So, slot for memory, micro SD card up to 32 gigs. Tapos, meron ng 2.0 HDMI. Battery life niya, pag naka-max ng 1080 pixels, 70 minutes. And then, yung battery niya, detachable, 900 milliamperes. And then, pwede siya gamitin for extreme sports, outdoor sports, activities, bicycle, car, DVR, driving, home security. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin dashcam. And, nabili namin to sa Lazada again, and it's only for 1,099 pesos. Very, very affordable. So, I hope to make better videos with this. So, I'll make a separate video about yung quality and yung experience ko with this action cam. We will use it pag nag-swimming kami mamaya para mag-record ng underwater shots, ng shots sa harsh light, tapos shaky, tapos si hubby, ipapagamit ko sa kanya to pag nag-bike siya. So, I'm gonna be posting everything on a separate video. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed, guys, watching this unboxing of mine. Yung mga technicalities, yung mga accessories, yung mismong product. And, wait for my next video for the application of this action cam. That is all. But, abangan nyo yung aking next video for the application. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you like this video, give this a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Under the Sun. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Tagal pa. Tagal pa na. Dalian mo. Nagre-record ako. Maingay. Maingay.
Hindi naman ako maingay.
Maingay, sige na. Naiilang ako eh.
Ganda naman niya.
Maingay.